Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our journey through the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Today we are diving deep into the fourth sutra, Vritti Sarupyam Itaratra, which translates to, at other time, the seer is absorbed in the fluctuations of the mind. This sutra is profound in its simplicity and significance. So let's explore what it truly means. Imagine your mind as an ocean. The surface of this ocean represents your thoughts, emotions, and sensory experiences, what Patanjali refers to as Vrittis or fluctuations. When these fluctuations are turbulent, we identify with them completely. We get lost in the waves of thoughts, emotions, and external distractions, forgetting the deeper, calm ocean beneath. The seer, our true self or drishtu, gets absorbed in these fluctuations, thinking we are these thoughts and emotions. This is the state most of us live in, completely identified with our mind's activity, mistaking it for our true self. But what happens when the waves settle? The ocean's true nature becomes visible, just as our true self emerges when the mind becomes still. Patanjali is telling us that this identification with the Vrittis is not our natural state. Instead, it is a condition that arises when we forget our true nature. Yoga is the practice that helps us break this identification. Through asana, pranayam, and spatially meditation, we learn to calm these mental fluctuations. As we do, we begin to see that we are not our thoughts, our feeling, or our experiences. We are the seer, the observer who remains unchanged by the surface level activities of the mind. This sutra serves as a reminder. Whenever you are caught up in the turmoil of the mind, remember that this is not your true self. Your true nature is always there, like the deep, still ocean beneath the waves. Yoga is the journey back to this realization, where you no longer identify with the fluctuations but with the calm, steady presence of the seer. Let me share a personal experience. In the early days of my practice, I often struggled with meditation. My mind would be full of thoughts. What I had to do later, memories of the past, worries about the future. I felt like I was falling, but over time I realized that these thoughts were just waves on the surface. By gently bringing my focus back to my breath, I learned to observe these thoughts without getting caught up in them. Slowly, the waves began to settle, and I could glimpse the calm beneath. It was in those moments that I started to truly understand what Patanjali means by this sutra. So, as you go through your practice, remember this sutra. Notice when you are getting lost in the fluctuations of the mind and gently bring your awareness back to the seer within you. This is the true power of yoga, to help you disidentify from the noise of the mind and reconnect with your true self. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. If you're finding these insights valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. And don't forget to check out the other videos in this series. Let's continue exploring the wisdom of the sutras together. Namaste.